In Excel sheet, you want to work with part of a data and leave the rest unaffected. For instance, you want to print grade 6 mark and leave the rest hidden. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can work on only specific data using filters. First, click on Data. Then click on the filter icon. After this, you will see that a drop-down button has been applied on every heading. Going to the class heading, click on the drop-down button. Now, click on Select All to remove the selection. Then click on the 6. Then OK. This will hide the rest of the data, leaving you only with grade 6 marks. From here, you can print or apply any formatting or other processing that you want. If you want to restore back the data to normal, again click on Data, then Filter. This will restore everything to its original format. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.